Well, look, obviously, we're just working through the determination now as we speak. The Trade Minister and myself will continue to make those assessments over the coming couple of days and then either take it to the WTO. There are some short-term measures we can take and appeal directly with China. We'll consider those measures in the coming couple of days. But obviously, we don't accept the premise that Australian barley farmers are subsidised in any way, shape or form, or that we've dumped barley into China. So we'll try to prosecute that case and get China to understand. If not, we'll continue to market our product around the world. It's the best quality in the world, so therefore it will have a home. We do have a little bit of a window before harvest towards October, November, but those measures and those opportunities are already being pursued and have been pursued for some time.
But with the barley specifically, it is a little bit tricky because a lot of this barley was engineered specifically for those Chinese consumers or the Chinese maltsters as well. Do you think that it's going to be tricky to get that same barley into the Indonesian or perhaps Indian markets as well?
Well, look, only this week that we were able to secure easing of restrictions into India and some of our fumigation that'll make it easier to get more barley into India. So that was quite timely. The free trade agreement with Indonesia starts on the 5th of July, which is also timely. But we've also had significant interest through the Middle East and continue to work with our Middle East partners, who many of which are third and fourth export nations in terms of barley for Australia. So our product is highly sought after. We'll continue to work with China. It's not a market we want to walk away from. We don't accept their premise and we'll continue to have dialogue, constructive dialogue with them to try and reopen that market because it is effectively shut at an 80% tariff. But you've also got to understand they'll have to find barley from somewhere else around the world. Find it very hard to find the quality of Australian barley, but that'll also open up a market. And I think you'll find that there'll be a rebalancing of markets around the world, but that'll take time. And I'm confident that we have a product that can be marketed quite easily around the world.